Top 10 tallest trees in the world. Today I will show you top 10 tallest trees in the world. So please till end of the video. The heights of the world's tallest trees have been the subject of much controversy and exaggeration. Modern verified measurements with laser rangefinder or with tape drop measurements made by tree climbers, such as those made by canopy researchers, have shown that some older tree height measurement methods are often unreliable, sometimes by 5%. Overproduction occurs in production of 15% or more above real height. Historical claims of trees. The tallest reliably measured specimens from the top 10 trees. Number 1, Hyperion. Species: coast redwood. Scientific name: Sequoia sempervirens. Family: Cupressaceae. Height: feet 379.7, meters 115.7. Class: conifer. Location: Redwood National Park, California, United States. Continent: Western North America. Hyperion was discovered August 25, 2006, by naturalists Chris Atkins and Michael Taylor. The tree was verified as standing 115.55 meters, 379.1 feet, tall by Stephen Sillett. The tree was found in a remote area of Redwood National and State Parks purchased in 1978. Sillett estimates Hyperion to be 600 years old while others report it to be roughly 700 to 800 years old. Number 2, Yellow Moranti. Scientific name: Shorea fagetiana. Family: Dipterocarpaceae. Height: feet 330, meters 100. Class: flowering plant. Location: Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand, and can also be found in the Philippines. Manara tree was discovered in August 2018. Then on January 6, 2019, Unding Jami climbed and measured its exact height with a tape measure, what would eventually be announced as the tallest tree in the tropics and probably one of the tallest trees left standing in the world. Manara is the name of a yellow moranti, Shorea fagetiana, tree who have been found in the Danam Valley Conservation Area, in Sabah on the island of Borneo. It was measured at 100.8 meters, 331 feet, which ranks it as the world's tallest known living tropical tree and tallest tree in Asian continent. The team, which is working with Southeast Asia Rainforest Research Partnership, SERP, has named the tree Manara, which is in Malay language for tower. Number 3, Mountain Ash. Scientific name: Sobus aucuparia. Family: Rosaceae. Height: feet 329.7, meters 100.5. Class: flowering plant. Location: Western Asia, Europe. The centurion is the world's second tallest known individual Eucalyptus regnans tree, and E. regnans is the third tallest tree species in the world after the coast redwood and the yellow moranti. It was discovered in August 2008 by employees of Forestry Tasmania while analyzing the data collected by LIDAR system used in mapping and assessment of state forest resources. Number 4, Coast Douglas FIR. Scientific name: Pseudotsuga menziesii. Height: feet 327, meters 99.7. Class: Pinopsida. Family: Pinaceae. Location: Brummett Creek, Coos County, Oregon, United States. Continent: Western North America. The Donner FIR is a record-setting Coast Douglas FIR in Oregon, reckoned to be the tallest tree in the world, which is not a redwood, Sequoiaceae, at 327 feet, 100 meters. The tree grows in the Bureau of Land Management forest in Coos County. Number 5, Sitka spruce. Scientific name, Picea sitchensis. Family, Pinaceae. Height, feet: 317 meters: 96.7. Class, conifer. Location, Prairie Creek Redwoods State Park, California, United States. Continent, Western North America. Picea sitchensis, the Sitka spruce, is a large, coniferous, evergreen tree growing to almost 100 meters, 330 feet, tall, with a trunk diameter at breast height that can exceed 5 meters, 16 feet. It is by far the largest species of spruce and the fifth largest conifer in the world, behind giant sequoia, coast redwood, kauri, and western red cedar, and the third tallest conifer species, after coast redwood and coast Douglas fir. Number 6. Giant sequoia. Scientific name, Sequoiadendron giganteum. Family, Cupressaceae. Class, Pinopsida. Location, Northern California. Originally, sequoias could be found throughout the northern hemisphere. Today, they are found only in 77 scattered groves in Northern California. Among the places that preserve giant sequoias are Sequoia National Forest, Sequoia National Park, and Giant Sequoia National Monument. Number 7. Kashmir cypress. Scientific name, Cupressus cashmeriana. Family, Cupressaceae. Class, conifer. Height, feet: 310 meters, 94.6. Location, at the road leading to Kathok Yozal Santenling Monastery, Kaji Gewog, Wangdu Phorang District, Bhutan. Cupressus cashmeriana is a medium-sized to large tree growing 20 to 45 meters, 66 to 148 feet, tall, rarely much more, with a trunk up to 3 meters, 9.8 feet, diameter. The foliage grows in strongly pendulous sprays of blue-green, very slender, flattened shoots. The leaves are scale-like, 1 to 2 millimeters long, up to 5 millimeters long on strong lead shoots. Young trees up to about 5 years old have juvenile foliage with soft needle-like leaves 3 to 8 millimeters long. Number 8. Tasmanian blue gum. Scientific name, Eucalyptus globulus. Family, Myrtaceae. Height, feet: 302 meters: 92. Class, flowering plant. Location, Tasmania. Eucalyptus globulus, commonly known as southern blue gum, is a species of tall, evergreen tree endemic to southeastern Australia. It has mostly smooth bark, juvenile leaves that are whitish and waxy on the lower surface, glossy green, lance-shaped adult leaves, glaucous, ribbed flower buds arranged singly or in groups of 3 or 7 in leaf axils, white flowers and woody fruit. There are 4 subspecies, each with a different distribution, occurring in New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania. Number 9. Manna gum. Scientific name, Eucalyptus viminalis. Family, Myrtaceae. Height, feet: 299 meters: 91. Class, flowering plant. Location, Evercreech Forest Reserve, Tasmania. Eucalyptus viminalis, commonly known as the manna gum, white gum or ribbon gum, is species of small to very tall tree that is endemic to southeastern Australia. It has smooth bark, sometimes with rough bark near the base, lance-shaped to curved adult leaves, flower buds in groups of 3 or 7, white flowers and cup-shaped or hemispherical fruit. Scientific name, Dinesia. Subfamily, Caesalpinioideae. Height, feet: 290 meters: 88.5. Class, flowering plant. Location: near the boundary of Amapá and Pará states, Brazil. Dinazea excelsa, known as Angelum vermelho, Angelum pedra, Parica, Brazil. Avaraime, Trio, Suriname, Paraguay, Wapisiana, Guyana. Lawrence also includes the popular names Angelum falso, Favera, Favera daura, Favera ferro and Favera do Grande, is an canopy emergent tropical rainforest tree species in the family Fabaceae. आशा करती हो यह वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही जानकारी देने वाला है। तो इसी तरह का वीडियो अगर आप चाहते हो तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें। थैंक यू वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।